Good morning, everyone. My name is Deepika from SNS College of Engineering, Assistant Professor, CSE IoT Department. Whereas in the last two session, we are going through about the IoT pillars under the vertical, horizontal, and end-to-end. This is the second pillar of IoT, that is nothing but RFID. RFID is a radio frequency identification. As we know, the frequency signals of RFID, that is a radio frequency identification. This uses a radio frequency used to read and capture information stored on a tag attached to an object. This radio frequency is nothing but like our barcodes, a scanner, whatever in the hard copy, it has been captured, the information is stored, and we can read it through a machine. Okay, so we read the data and attached on an object. The tag can be read from up several feet away and does not need to be within a direct line of insight or a reader to be tracked. Like whatever we scan, a Google scanner, let us take a Google scanner. In that, inside the scanner, we can scan whatever it is there, and within the limit, we can scan and the data can be transferred. NFC is a next field communication protocol, and IC is an integrated circuit, cards, and radio waves. These all are included in RFID. So, what in this session we are going to see what is RFID, application of RFID, what is inside in RFID, how RFID works. So, what is RFID? RFID is nothing but a reader. RFID has a reader. One object is there. In this object, RFID tag is there. It's nothing like a. We can take it as an example of fast tag, or a barcode, the scanner we as we have the scanner of Google Pay scanner is there, everything that is attached to an object or a in this with our scanner, with a soft copy that we have, we can scan the barcode, and the data is what we, if we need to transfer it or a money transfer or check in anything, we can done through that. That is this pictures. In these pictures we can, like in the books, a barcode is there. If you're going to a library, you are going to take out any books, the scanner scans it. So if we scan it, the entire details of the book version, everything get, the data get entered into it, and the date of issue, everything. So with that barcode, the whole book data has been controlled here. That is the RFID. Objects can be book in library. And one more object is what our grocery, we our daily usage of grocery. If we take any grocery, a barcode is a mandatory, and it is mandatorily, it has been there. So whatever we take, books or anything, we scan the data and start reading it. So objects can be in items of the shopping of the mall. And one more example, this is RFID. Objects can be an inventory in a warehouse also. In the warehouse also, the inventory objects are being there. In this also codes, the codes has been there, but the codes can be scanned and we can read from the object here. As I said, you like in a fast tag is there. Once the fast tag, we have the enough money or a passing it all, it scans the cars has come, so it automatically the it doors opens it. So it object can be a car also. Here a barcode, this is the barcode I said, like if a barcode, the scanner must be in a line of sight. It must be a line, the line can be different according to the objects also. So this is the line of sight, and this is not a mandatory in RFID. RFID can track multiple objects while a bar code cannot. Barcode, the scanner must be a line of sight, and this is not a mandatory. Whereas in an RFID, this is not a mandatory. RFID can be a multiple objects while the barcode cannot. So RFID versus barcode versus QR code. This is the thing we said. Like see, RFID is where the pictures denotes that's the RFID. The visa we have, we get a signal, and in this the chip is there, and this is a barcode. This is a barcode. What is this? This is a QR code. QR code is there. Barcode is there. RFID is also there. So RFID system. RFID system is nothing but RFID reader and RFID tag. In RFID tag, we have active tag, passive tag, and semi-passive tag. A passive tag do not have their own power supply. Hence, rely on radio waves for a source of energy. Passive tags, we have a radio waves in that. Whereas in a semi-passive tag, owner supply by transmitting back and relay the signal coming from RFID reader. Active tag uses their own power for both transmitting and receiving. Range of passive tags is less than that of semi-active tags. So in this RFID tags, we'll see in the next session. Okay, we'll discuss about this detailedly in the next section. Thank you.